kids! Today we're going to talk about the farm animals. Look, this is a barn. Repeat, barn. Very good. What's inside the barn? Let's see. Can you help me open the box? Let's blow together. 1, 2, 3. Do it again. Yes, it's opened. What's in the barn? It's a cow. Say, it's a cow. Very good. And now, what is it? It's a duck. Say, it's a duck. Great. What is it? It's a goat. Yes, very good. You're doing perfect. And now, what's this? Yeah, it's a pig. What color is the pig? It's pink. Very good. Let's sing a song about the farm animals. You are going to sing with me. Let's go. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a pig, E-I-E-I-O. With a night here and a night there, here a night, there a night, everywhere a night. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.